The Sagalassos Fountain, a remarkable ancient structure located in the heart of the archaeological site of Sagalassos in southwestern Turkey, is a testament to the engineering prowess and artistic sensibilities of the Roman Empire. Dating back to the late Hellenistic period and reaching its peak during the Roman era, the fountain stands as a significant cultural artifact that reflects the historical and architectural innovations of its time. Sagalassos, once a thriving city in the Pisidia region, was known for its strategic location, nestled in the Taurus mountains. The site is celebrated for its stunning architecture, intricate sculptures, and sophisticated water management systems. The Sagalassos Fountain, specifically, was an essential part of the city's public life, serving both practical and aesthetic purposes. It provided residents with fresh water while also acting as a focal point for social interaction and civic pride. The fountain is characterized by its grand facade, which showcases a combination of classical architectural elements and exquisite sculptures. The structure features a large, semicircular basin adorned with elegantly carved reliefs depicting various mythological figures and scenes. These decorations not only highlight the artistic skill of the artisans of the time but also reflect the cultural and religious beliefs prevalent in Sagalassos. The water flowed from the mouths of intricately designed spouts, adding a dynamic element to the already stunning visual appeal of the fountain. One of the most striking aspects of the Sagalassos Fountain is its connection to the water supply system that served the city. The fountain was part of an extensive network of aqueducts that transported water from nearby springs to the urban center. This sophisticated hydraulic engineering enabled the residents of Sagalassos to access clean water, which was crucial for daily life, sanitation, and agriculture. The careful planning and execution of this water management system exemplify the advanced engineering capabilities of the ancient Romans. The fountain also holds historical significance as a reflection of the broader social and political changes occurring in the region during its time. As Sagalassos transitioned from a Hellenistic city to a Roman province, the fountain became a symbol of the city's prosperity and cultural identity. It served as a gathering place for locals and visitors alike, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Additionally, the presence of the fountain indicated the city's affluence and the importance placed on public amenities in Roman urban planning. The Sagalassos Fountain is not only an architectural marvel but also a site of ongoing archaeological interest. Excavations have revealed layers of history, providing insights into the daily lives of the inhabitants and the evolution of the city over centuries. The careful restoration of the fountain has allowed visitors to appreciate its grandeur, while also sparking curiosity about the lives of those who once thrived in this ancient urban center. Today, the Sagalassos Fountain stands as a symbol of the rich historical tapestry of the region. It draws visitors from around the world who are eager to explore its ruins and learn about the sophisticated civilization that once flourished there. The fountain's enduring legacy serves as a reminder of the ingenuity and artistry of the ancient world, inviting us to reflect on the complexities of human achievement and the timeless quest for beauty and functionality in public spaces.